I think what makes C3 stand out in the market is the high level of creativity and innovation that is behind the machine designs that we bring to market. My role will help the future of C3 by supporting the way that the teams inside of the company work together in service of our customer, and to make sure that the definition of how we serve our customer is well understood for each of the pieces of work that we do.
We wanted to create a win-win situation for John. Get him into play, get him where he's most comfortable, create those, building blocks, the foundation, create his team, and then build on to that.
The role of operations and supply chain is to better serve our customer. Everything that we do in operations and everything that we do in supply chain is about serving the customers and making sure that we can better deliver to them, whether that's in an element of safety or high level of quality, how we think about lead time for a new piece of machinery, the service that we provide, and of course aftermarket support.
Our Marshall building we just bought, it was a big investment for us, 100,000 square feet. We want to create, Marshall as the kind of like the R&D center and exploratory new business.
As a company that's growing very rapidly, we need the space to grow. We need the space to receive the equipment and the parts that we use for the assembly and production of machinery, and it gives us the opportunity to do something new, to put a full piece of machinery into production and to innovate and be creative in the manufacturing process. And in doing so, to have a line that allows us to learn and to demonstrate what operational excellence looks like. We have unique machinery. The machinery provides a competitive advantage, and we also can provide an advantage to our customers by working with them to help them bring their products to market.